It has finally happened, the day you guys have all been waiting for. Tesla's new affordable compact EV is moving closer to reality, with Elon Musk confirming its debut in 2025. Some highlights you might have missed about the new Tesla Model 2 or Project Redwood. First, the timeline. New Tesla compact EV is confirmed for 2025. The new model is expected to launch in the second half of 2025. Secondly, there's also leaked patent drawings revealing its design. The new patent images hint at a design that blends elements of the Model 3 and the Cybertruck to give it that futuristic look. Next is the projected cost, which is getting everyone excited. It is expected to start around $20,000 only, making it significantly cheaper than the other Tesla models. And lastly, there's also innovative production methods. So these advanced manufacturing techniques are set to reduce production costs by up to 50%, which will allow Tesla to sell it at that very, very low cost. Although Tesla's compact EV has been rumored for years, Elon Musk recently set a production date for late 2025, offering hope that this affordable alternative could soon be on the market. While the hatchback, yes, that's right, it's a hatchback, remains unnamed, reports suggest it could cost as little as $20,000 thanks to new cost-effective manufacturing techniques. Patent images of the compact EV have surfaced, showing a more rounded shape compared to other Tesla models, possibly indicating the new car's design, or it could simply just be the upcoming robotaxi that they're announcing in October. Despite earlier reports suggesting Tesla might scrap this project in favor of the self-driving robotaxis, Elon dismissed these claims on social media. He confirmed during Tesla's 2023 financial results call that production would begin in late 2025, though he acknowledged the ramp-up will be very challenging. Elon posted on X, "Reuters is lying." He didn't make reference to any specific inaccuracies, but it was to the initial article of Reuters stating that the new Model 2 project would be scrapped. During Tesla's 2023 financial results call, Musk finally put a date on the compact EV production, and he said, to quote, "I don't want to blow your minds, but I'm often optimistic regarding time. But our current schedule says that we will start production towards the end of 2025, sometime in the second half. That will be a challenging production ramp. We'll be sleeping on the line practically, but I'm confident that once it is going, it'll be head and shoulders above any other manufacturing technology that exists currently anywhere globally." But that's a bold statement to make, given China has already released a $20,000 EV to the market, and it's only expanding globally. The BYD Seagull, or the Dolphin Mini, is launching now in South America after launching the Seagull last May. The entry-level electric hatch is already BYD's top-selling model. BYD sold over 280,000 Seagull EVs last year in China, topping the popular Dolphin and Yuan Plus. The Seagull is an all-electric hatchback available in two options in China. The base model provides up to 190 miles of range, while the upper trim includes a battery for 251 miles of range. BYD Seagull is even smaller than the Chevy Bolt EV. Now, how will this Model 2 look like, and how does it benefit you, and why should you care? First are the new design and features. While there have been no public sightings of the compact EV, patent drawings show a rounded shape, setting it apart from Tesla's more angular designs like the Cybertruck. There are also digital renderings showcasing a clean, minimalist front bumper, bubble-like roofline for enhanced interior space, and a rear light bar similar to the Cybertruck and the new Model Y that's coming up in next year. But the question you may be wondering is, what kind of battery will it be using, and what's the range of this new EV? When this new Tesla compact EV does arrive, it'll use a new type of battery, which is more powerful, safer, and cheaper than the Model 3s, thanks to something called a tabless design. This technology is essentially a new way of connecting the battery cells together. It reduces the size of the battery by around 35%. They can also store and release more energy without overheating, giving them as much as 16% more range per kilowatt per hour than traditional batteries. Given the price and what little we know, a ballpark estimate is that the Model 2 should hopefully have somewhere around 250 miles of estimated range. Why 250? It's the best guess based on the tiny bits of information currently presented. We know that the Model 2 is going to be built on an all-new platform, and that Tesla is looking to reduce costs by streamlining the manufacturing process. A new approach to the assembly is figuring out how to get more efficiency with less, and that includes use of its larger and more efficient generation 4680 cylindrical battery and potentially the 48-volt architecture carried over from the Cybertruck. But without rambling off and taking all these different guesses and estimates, it's all to say that getting an EV to 300 plus miles of range takes some pricey tech. But Tesla could utilize what it has to get the Model 2 near to that range while keeping the cost down. Could there be a Model 2 with more range than that? Sure, but I bet it won't come at an eye-catching low initial price that they have currently advertised. When we think about the motors and performance, keeping the idea of why it's cheap in the first place, Tesla's goal will be to keep the costs down. The compact EV will use a new electric motor that doesn't require rare earth materials. This new drive unit costing just $1,000 to produce will allow for a similar factory and even lower production costs. While it's likely to have only one motor, performance is expected to be strong, possibly exceeding the rear-wheel drive Tesla's Model 3's 0 to 60 time of 5.3 seconds. Now, what kind of production innovations are they coming up with? Tesla's set to revolutionize the manufacturing process for this compact EV by reducing wiring, utilizing a 48-volt electrical system, and integrating wireless networks for control. Tesla will absolutely simplify production. Components like doors will be built and assembled off-car, with final assembly taking place at the end of the production line. Elon claims this approach will improve efficiency by 30% and make the vehicle 50% cheaper to build than the Model 3 and Model Y. Overall, Tesla's new compact EV is set to be a game changer for any skeptics out there with not only Tesla but EVs in general, because it'll be offering a cutting-edge technology at a very affordable price. With production slated for late 2025 and deliveries in early 2026, this EV market is set for a major shift. Are you looking to wait for the new Tesla Model 2 or Project Redwood, or are you simply waiting for the new Tesla Model Y when it does come out next year? Both sound pretty compelling. I think it just comes down to your price range and what you kind of look for in a car. Do you prioritize performance? Do you prioritize practicality? Or do you prefer paying a low monthly payment because this price is extremely attractive? That has me thinking this might be a good secondary Tesla to have in addition to the Model Y. Also, if you're looking to buy a Tesla in the next couple of days or weeks, be sure to use my Tesla referral link to save at least $1,000 on your purchase.